for this opportunity of sharing and talking about insurance is that currently under change, right? And I'm actually fortunate enough to be a part of this change. I represent a company which is CSC Governance Services. We are a kind of a front end for a lot of government to citizen-centric services in the rural areas. Recently, it's been almost a year now that we started talking to the regulator, which is IRDA. And if you are familiar with the structure of insurance, so you know that there are agents who work. Okay. So most of us actually interact with agents. And then there's a structure which is called as corporate agency. And there's also a structure which is known as broker. And since some of you are also from banking, so bank insurance is also one of the same kind of channels which basically prevail. Recently, on 3rd September 2013, the regulator, IRDA, also actually rolled out guidelines which was specific to CSC. CSC, since it's been working as a front end for all these services that I just spoke about, so a lot of G2C services, government to citizen-centric services that we offer. Since we have the reach, we have 1,40,000 centers currently operational and doing n number of activities, probably caste certificate, birth certificate, income certificate, all such kind of services that we offer from the CSC center. Under the financial inclusion, we are into banking correspondent activity that we do, a lot of activity. In last 1 year, we have also started insurance. And since I am also a principal officer for the same insurance piece, when I started discussing with insurance companies, I was surprised to know that many of companies actually have their brand names, right, big brand names. But if you go to, if you talk about their branches, right, so probably they have 5,000, 6,000 branches per family. And if you ask them whether you have branches in Northeast or something of that sort, right? They'll say we have one branch, okay, in the state headquarters, okay, that's it. And what about the penetration? Okay. So when we started discussing with them, the whole issue was since if you look at the population of India, right, so approximately 70% of population stay in rural India, and all of them require insurance. Okay. It's not that those who are staying in urban or semi-urban areas they require insurance. And how to reach them? So we devised a mechanism. We basically created a business model. Okay. And basis the discussions that we had, the regulator and all that, right, there was a model which was created. There was a guideline which was issued by IRDA. Okay. And for the first time in the history of India, a model which has been created wherein servicing is also done by the center. Okay. Not only sales. So somebody has a, let's say, claim, intimation of claim, or change in nomination, or endorsement, okay, whether it's a financial endorsement, non-financial endorsement. So whatever that a customer requires, okay, that is happening through the CSC channel. This piece was launched on 6th August 2014. Chairman IRDA himself inaugurated. And I was fortunate enough on 28th of last month, I was able to present that piece to Prime Minister of India. Right? And I'm surprised to see that in 3 minutes, okay, in 3 minutes, from application to delivery of policy bonds happen in 3 minutes through CSC channel. And that's the kind of change that CSC has actually brought to this society. If we look at, since we also started doing a lot of servicing related activities, okay, in last 1 year, since we have enabled a lot of those centers, okay, these centers are operated by a person who's called as VLE, village level entrepreneur. If I look at the average of what they do, right, so probably if all 1,40,000 centers are able to basically transact or collect renewals for just a company like LIC, so we will be contributing almost around 1,000 crores, right? So in the coming year, every year. I'm just talking about one insurance company. Right? So there's a lot of potential. There's a lot of activity that's going on, okay, and a lot of initiatives which the regulator himself is actually taking in order to ease the process so that people can go to these centers, they can apply online, okay, and they can get the delivery of service right within there. So that's